Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll discuss another important use case in Canvas apps Power Apps where we are trying to access a multi-level parent information in a gallery. Meaning that, let's say I have three entities. One is called as locations, which is the grandparent of customer agreement, and there is another entity property which is the parent entity of customer agreement. So we have three entities. There might be more entities also in hierarchy, but right now in this use case we have three entities where property entity is the parent of customer agreement entity, and location entity is the parent of property entity. So location entity is grandparent of customer agreement and property entity is parent of customer agreement. Now when I will use a gallery that is connected to customer agreement entity and I want to access some information from location entity, how can I do that? That means accessing hierarchical parent record information in a child entity gallery. That is what we are showing here. Okay. So let us see how I can do that. So I have a gallery here. Okay. In this gallery, I have connected to the agreement. Okay. So I'm showing here the customer agreements. Okay, let me run it to show you. Okay, now here you see I'm displaying here agreements here, but in here I have taken a field, and in this field I want to display the location name, which is the grandparent information. Now to display that, what I can do? Okay, let me go to the property here. Okay, now I have taken a field here or taken a label here, and I am trying to bind the grandparent information. If you want to bind current information, current record information, you can just use this item dot column name. Okay, but because to access parent entity you need a lookup, right? What is the lookup of property? I have a property lookup available in the current customer agreement record. Now to get property just immediate parent record information, you can use dot and access attributes of that parent entity. But if that parent entity is having another lookup, like location is another parent of property, so I can use locations. Now when you use dot operator, you can navigate to more parents that are connected. Now if I click dot, then I can get information about the grandparent information. You see, so my entity is customer agreement. Now I navigated to property entity, then I navigated to another parent location, then I have navigated to name. If location entity has another parent, for example, location has a parent called as business unit. Now you see, business unit can be accessible. This is another parent. But when I click dot, you'll see I cannot access. That means maximum you can access if you, so when you type business unit, you can also access the information about the business unit. Let's say I want to get the name of the business unit connected, then it will give you the information. So first parent, second parent, third parent, and data. So this is how you can access the hierarchical data if they are connected through parent child entity relationship.